Hey everyone, today we're checking out Finelo, an app that promises to make financial management simpler, smarter, and more intuitive. Finelo is designed for people who want to keep track of their expenses, plan budgets, and get insights into their spending habits without feeling overwhelmed by complicated interfaces. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and organized the app looks. Everything is laid out in a way that's easy to understand, from tracking daily expenses to monitoring recurring bills. You can categorize your spending, set limits for each category, and even get visual charts that show exactly where your money is going. This kind of clarity is especially helpful for people who want to make better financial decisions but aren't. Financial experts. Finelo also includes smart reminders and notifications that help you stay on top of upcoming bills or overspending. The automation features, like auto-categorizing transactions or syncing with your bank accounts, save a ton of time and reduce the manual effort most budgeting apps require. One thing that stands out is the app's insight feature. It not only shows your spending patterns, but also gives tips on saving money and managing finances more effectively. It's like having a mini financial advisor in your pocket. The app runs smoothly, though some features may require a premium subscription to unlock everything, which is something to consider. Overall, Finelo makes personal finance more approachable and practical. Turning what can be a stressful task into a simple daily habit, it's perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their money without the usual confusion. If you liked this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and drop a comment below on which app you want me to review next.